Definition first, aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is the study of how air, a fluid made of gases, moves around objects and creates forces. Here's the promise. By the end, you'll speak Module 8 in plain language. Airflow means the movement of air. Pressure is force per unit area. Density is mass per unit volume. Temperature is how hot or cold something is, tied to particle energy. Viscosity is a fluid's thickness, or internal friction. These 5 set the stage for everything a wing does. An airfoil is a wing's cross-section shaped to make lift. Lift, the upward aerodynamic force. The chord line is the straight line from leading edge to trailing edge. Camber is the curve of the airfoil. Angle of attack is the angle between the chord line and the oncoming airflow, the relative wind. Bernoulli's principle says faster airflow has lower static pressure. Newton's third law, action equals reaction. Deflect air down and the wing gets pushed up. Both are true at the same time. Drag is aerodynamic resistance. Parasite drag comes from shape and skin friction. It grows with speed. Induced drag is the penalty for making lift. It falls with speed. Total drag is their sum, and minimum drag is the sweet spot for best endurance. The boundary layer is the thin layer of air hugging the surface. Laminar flow is smooth. Turbulent flow is mixed and energetic. Laminar can be low drag but fragile. Turbulent has more drag but sticks better. Delaying separation. A stall is a loss of lift due to excessive AOA, not necessarily low speed. The critical angle is the AOA, where lift peaks before it drops. Buffet is the shaking you feel from separated flow. Coefficient of lift and coefficient of drag are normalized measures of lift and drag. Lift-to-drag ratio shows efficiency. Higher is better. Reynolds number is the ratio of inertial to viscous forces. It predicts boundary layer behavior. Aspect ratio is wingspan squared divided by area. High aspect ratio means long, slender, efficient wings. Winglets are upturned tips that reduce wingtip vortices and induce drag. Flaps are high-lift movable surfaces that increase camber. Slats create a slot to add lift at lower speeds. Spoilers are panels that spoil lift and add drag for descent or to dump lift on landing. Trim is a small adjustment that holds a steady attitude without constant control pressure. Stability is the tendency to return to equilibrium. Longitudinal stability is pitch, nose up or down. Lateral stability is roll, wing up or down. Directional stability is yaw, nose left or right. The center of gravity is the balance point. Forward CG adds pitch stability, but needs more lift and drag. Dihedral is the upward wing angle that adds roll stability. Sweep is the backward angle that delays compressibility effects at high speed. Ailerons control roll. The elevator controls pitch. The rudder controls yaw. Adverse yaw is the unwanted yaw opposite to roll from aileron drag. Rudder coordination fixes it. Mach number is speed divided by the local speed of sound. Compressibility is air's density change under pressure at higher speeds. Critical Mach is when local airflow first hits Mach 1. Shock waves are abrupt pressure jumps that add drag and can cause control issues. Mach tuck is the nose-down tendency as the center of pressure moves aft near transonic speeds. A yaw damper is an automatic system that counters Dutch roll, a coupled yaw-roll wobble common in swept-wing jets. Load factor in G is lift divided by weight. In turns, lift must rise to maintain altitude, increasing stall speed. Ground effect is the extra lift and reduced induced drag when flying very close to the ground. You just spoke Module 8 in plain language. Review, pause, and revisit any term, and keep flying smarter.